this is a little more technical. You have to be a little more, because you're farther out and you can see them and they can see you and they can change. But if your footwork, you're covering ground properly, your footwork will let you get through. You know what I mean? So again, jab cross. See how I'm going? Again, I'm letting you step out because I don't want you to fall. Now do it quickly. Faster. See, and while you're hitting, I'm coming in. People aren't used to that except when they're just throwing bombs at each other. They're not used to precise that with footwork to cover. We're fighting down here too. You don't even know it. So you're way ahead. Go for my face. So don't worry about my hands. You know where my hands are going. My hands are going to punch you in the head. That's what everybody's hands do 90% of the time. Except for the occasional guy who runs in and tries to do this. But you'll see it because they'll ball up and they'll hunker down. And it's not going to be a secret, right? So, yes. So, yeah, exactly. It's the same we did in the first, except off the jab tip, we're covering for that second hand, that cross punch. So, yeah, so you don't even let it go. That's perfect, right? And that's what you do even off the jab. You go ahead and do it if you're going to throw them, because that, if they try, it's not going to matter. You jam them up, so it's covered. But they won't. They just, right? So, yeah, you got covered ground, because if you don't, you got to do it all over. And now I know what you're doing. Yes, yeah, but don't stiffen, because now I can shove it. Drop the weight so you jam me up. Yeah, but step in and just allow that. Yeah, you see the difference? Well, stiffen up and like you were before. Yeah, I know I'm sweaty, but trust me, it wouldn't matter. You'd have just been shoved down faster. Trying to. I feel you tense, your whole muscles tense up back there. That's when I can do stuff to you. It's just that. Yeah. All right. Almost. You forgot to go for this. You're too worried about that. If you go for this, this takes care of itself. Right? Pretty much. See? Yeah. Because again, I'm trying to punch you in the head. Your head's not there. I'm punching you where the last snapshot of you I thought was. If I'm really fast, I'll punch here. Go ahead and move. If I'm really fast, go ahead and do like you normally were going to do. If I'm really fast, I'll punch here. Then you're coming in. Then you change. I'll punch, but you're getting me anyway. You're still going to throw me off because we're doing our down. We're occupying center line. You're moving your center line where I'm trying to catch up. I'm too late. Yeah, exactly. But you want to fight on up and down. Nice. You see it? All right. Now relax that into when you do it in a second. You got the first one down. I got to give it to you. So yeah, a little turn and just let it sink, just like you're doing on the second one, just like you do, but you're doing it through me instead of on me. Yeah, you got my rock. I've almost thrown. You didn't even get the. That's what you want. So when you do it, and I'll show you here. When you do it right, I'm going to show you. I'm going to go slow so you can see it, and you'll naturally tend to fight me. It won't matter. So do the jab cross, and I'm going to do it, and you can see here. Yeah, I'm not even sweeping you when you're going down. In a real fight, you straighten. That's, and we're going to do a variance of that with striking palm. But with this, you start farther away because you are farther away, and you can make contact with them farther away. So you want to take advantage of that. Your timing is better than theirs because they're not used to that. They're used to the punch, and you're doing piercing palm. Right? So take advantage of that extra range and the fact that you can cover ground faster than them and with a different strategy than them. So, good. Now, come on faster. That's good. So you could tell you can sweeten me. Right? So I'm going to be down a little more. Yeah, good. You feel the difference? Yeah. And you notice when you're down, it gets easy to throw because your knees are bent and your hips are down, and you can just kind of so. Yeah, see, you're at the right. Real one. Next basic, we're sunken, and that's exactly what we're doing. Yeah, it's good. Feel it? Yeah. Allow, again, let that weight. Yeah, I can feel the strength in it, and that's good, but I want to feel the weight in it. Nice.